So we set up Sigmar in 2002 to provide world-class recruitment solutions. We currently have 14 award-winning specialist divisions and we employ 120 recruiters throughout Ireland. Our services can be largely divided into three areas. One is international search, then we are the largest provider of professional permanent talent in Ireland, and we also design and deliver full talent solutions for US multinationals throughout Europe.
When we went through our management buyout, we gave an option to all staff to invest. Over half of our staff at the time invested in the organisations, and that created something very, very special in our business. It created a culture of people acting and behaving like founders. We invest across three broad pillars of development. 1, skills development. 2, recruitment excellence. And 3, leadership development. This has resulted us in having the highest number of certified recruitment practitioners in Ireland and the highest number of industry fellows, those with 10 years plus experience.
So it is our culture that sets us apart in Sigmar. The impact on our colleagues, where we've developed some of the top business people in Ireland. The impact on our candidates, where in many cases we've literally changed lives. And possibly most important, with our pride and purpose, the impact on community. Our job creation initiatives, our attraction of foreign direct investment, our true genuine support of good causes has set us apart as a top business in Europe.